7. I'm not sure whether I will give you revision question or not, but I'm going to prepare some, okay, for your revision question. So by next week, we will learn chapter 7. Okay, we will learn chapter 7 and on Monday, and on Wednesday, we can do a bit of revision. Okay, if we have time, and on Friday, you will do your final assessment. Okay, your final assessment will be the same format like our quiz 3 today. You can refer your code, you can use Google, okay, you can bring your material if you want, okay, no limit, you can print, okay, you can also use Google, you use your laptop. Okay, please remember, your trial MATLAB only for 4 weeks, right? 1 month, right? So next week it will expire, right? Okay, next week it will expire. Okay, please prepare one more email, okay, if you want to do another trial, or you can use MATLAB online. Okay, but for MATLAB online, they have the toolbox. Okay, you cannot use toolbox for that. For your final, you cannot use toolbox. Okay, so let's say, you want to do an arrow. Okay, let's say you want to do an arrow for graph. Let's say. Like chapter, okay, chapter 2. Okay, like this example, right? Okay, so like this example. Okay, so you want to draw an arrow, right, for X and Y. Okay, so you want to insert, okay, you want to do arrow, okay, and you put it here. Like this, okay? So you are allowed to use like this, but you draw it nicely. This one is not draw. If you want to do like this, you can, but in your code here, okay, you have to comment it, maybe here. Okay, you said that, okay, you insert arrow using insert arrow. Okay, insert arrow. Okay, oh wait, let me share my screen. See? Okay, yeah. Okay, you can use like this. You said that you insert arrow. Okay, you insert arrow. Okay, using the figure window. Okay, insert arrow in the figure window. You can say like that. Okay, but you have to mention it. You understand? Okay, if you don't mention it, you have to draw it manually, the arrow. Do you understand? Okay, so I know that to draw the arrow, it will take time, right? Okay, so you can draw, okay, using this. Okay, let's say you want to insert arrow for this one is y-axis, right? Okay, so you have to put this here, insert arrow in y-axis, okay, in the figure in the figure, yeah, okay. So you can say like that, but you have to put it in comment. Okay, you have to put it in comments. Okay, so that's the first. I will share the tips from time to time. Okay, I don't want to tell you straight away. If not, you not focus with that. Okay, and another one is, okay, it will be individual. Okay, individual, open book, and in class. Okay, so the thing that you cannot use is AI, and you cannot communicate with your friend. Okay, you cannot use AI and you cannot communicate with your friend. Okay, so make sure your laptop, because you have to use your laptop for 2 hours, full, 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours is including the submission. So please manage your time wisely. 2 hours including submission. Okay, so you have to prepare like maybe 1 hour, 55 minutes, or 1 hour, 50 minutes, 10 minutes is for you to submit. Okay, so make sure your battery is full. If your battery is not full, okay, I already asked the IT people, okay, to prepare an extra power supply, the extension, but I haven't got the response for them yet. Okay, but our coordinator already pushed them, okay, to bring the prepare the power supply for you. Okay, so if you please bring your charger. Okay, please bring your charger. For those who have the extension, you can bring also. Okay, if your laptop battery is easily drained, you can bring your extension. Okay, so if some people ask if you want to use the PC. If you want to use the PC, make sure you touch the PC. Okay, you is okay or not. But I will put your seat randomly. Okay, I will put your seat randomly. So I think better you use your own computer. Okay, I will put your seat randomly. Okay, I will put your seat number randomly. Okay, and your seat number, I will paste it outside of the class. Okay, you will bring your laptop and also all of the material that you want to bring. Okay, during the exam. Okay, and for quiz 3, okay, same format. You can bring anything you want. Okay, except you can communicate with your friend. Okay, don't use your phone. Don't use your tablet. Only one device is allowed. Okay, don't cannot use AI. Cannot communicate with your friend. Okay, just close all your Teams, your WeChat, your WhatsApp, or whatever in your laptop. Okay, any question? Okay, on Sunday, please remember you have a deadline at 5 p.m. Okay, for your assignment. Okay, I will prepare a new link. Okay, I will prepare a new, sorry, I already paste a new link. Okay, I already paste a new link. Okay, it can accept your work until 5 p.m. on Sunday. Okay, if you submit after that, you have to contact me because I already blocked any submission above 5 p.m. Okay, so let's do practice exercise. Okay, so okay, okay, produce some beautiful hypocycloids and epicycloids. Okay, you may search the constant through internet, combine some of them. Okay, so this one you can search in the internet. Okay, so we want to create hypocycloids and epicycloid. What is hypocycloid? Okay, hypocycloid is using the spirograph where circle inside a circle like this. Okay, and like this. Okay, and like this hypocycloid. Okay, so epicycloid is when the circle is outside the main circle. Okay, so we want to create a hypocycloid and epicycloid. Okay, then I think I already did okay before. Okay, so this one is okay. I copy the code and I paste it in Teams. Okay, so I already posted it in Teams. Okay, so first I create a linear space. Okay, -6 until 6 for 201 values. Sorry. No. This is chapter 2, sorry. That one, sorry. second. Okay, open spirograph, hypocycloids, and also epicycloids. Okay, so this is the hypocycloid. Okay, this is the hypocycloid. Okay, that we create before. Okay, you can use this one. Or, okay, this one, I set the constant. Okay, this one, I set the constant. Okay, it start with radius is 1.02. Okay, the inner radius. Okay, A is equal to 2 and the maximum is 340 times. Okay, and this is the time. Okay, and the outer radius I start with 8, 8 until 2 until 8. Okay, and it reduced from 8, it reduced 2 units. Okay, so this is the epicycloid. Hypocycloid. Okay, this is a hypocycloid. Okay, so this is we have a time. Okay, we have a time. Okay, you can also eliminate the time here. Okay, because if you don't want the if you don't want the it is according to the time, you can just comment it. Okay, you can just comment it. Okay, so this is the hypocycloid. Okay, this is the hypocycloid. Okay, another hypocycloid. Okay. Okay, so this is the hypocycloid. Okay, now we are going to do the epicycloid. Okay, we're going to do epicycloid. Okay, so for this epicycloid, okay, for this epicycloid, okay, so this is the this is the epicycloid. Okay, and this is the hypocycloid. Okay, so for the epicycloid here, okay, I remove the time. Okay, I remove the time. Okay, because if it is not needed, okay, this is the epicycloid that has the time, the time limit. Okay, I think you have used it in your assignment will opportune. Okay, that's the answer for question 1. Okay, so combine some of them. Okay, so in my hypocycloid, okay, in my hypocycloid, spirograph hypocycloid, I already combined them for epicycloid also. Okay, you can use the same code for that. Okay, next is we want to produce this. Okay, I think you have done it in your wheel of fortune. Okay, so produce figure as below. Okay, that representing fraction by circle. Okay, I think you have done it. Okay, I think you have done it. So I'm just going to show you again what is the code. Okay, so here we create from 0 to 2 pi and with 201 values. Then we put radius 20. Okay, r times cosine t, y r times sine t, and then we plot x, y, and k. Okay, and after that, okay, so this one is, okay, we want to fill it. Okay, we want to fill it because here you see, okay, we want to fill it with line. Okay, we want to fill it with line. Okay, so I use looping. Okay, I use looping. This one I use blue color and the rest is I use white color. Okay, and after that we do this. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, so here M1 1 until M1 until 1, sorry, increase by 1 length x over 4. And after that, I fill 0 xm until xm plus 1 and 0 ym plus 1. Okay, then I put here blue color. And the rest here, I start with 51 until M1 minus 1. Why minus 1? Because I don't want to touch the blue. Okay, then white line style none. Okay, so the color like this, you can also, the method of coloring fraction like this, you can also apply in pentagon, hexagon, star, and so on. Okay, so this one is, okay, then after that, we draw the line here with black color. Okay, so 1 to 25 length x, okay, which is 201 length. Okay, plot 0 xm, 0 ym with black. Okay, so then I put the axis on, axis equal, then I put the title, quarter of a circle. Okay, so I copy this and I put in Teams. Okay, so that is the code for question 2. Okay, do you get it? Okay, next is, this one is torus. Okay, so uh, this is the formula to create a torus, which is, okay, R is a function of theta and psi. A times cosine theta plus B, okay, then times cosine theta. Okay, A cosine theta plus B sine theta, and this one is our Z value is sine theta, so X, Y, and Z. Okay, and theta inside, the value is between 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so this one is interlocking tori, or we call it as torus with strong line. Okay, so this one using the strong line. So we have to produce the 3D of a torus. Okay, 3D of a torus. Okay, so I'm going to give to you the code in Teams. Okay, so you see here, I create a mesh grid. Okay, I create a mesh grid. Okay, of a link space and create a linear space of 0 to 2 pi or 100 value. Okay, you can increase until 200 value. So, okay, x is 2 plus cosine v times cosine u. Okay, which I have signed. Okay, which I have put it here. Okay, then y here is 2 plus cosine v, 2 plus cosine v, okay, plus 2 plus cosine v plus sine u. Okay, z is sine v. Okay, then I do sum. Okay, and if you look at this, there's no line, outer line, or the interlocking tori. interlocking ring. Okay, so I disable the line, hold on, then I put another one. Okay, okay, so let's do this. Okay, so this is the first part. Okay, the horizontal donut, yeah, the horizontal ring. Okay, and we use hold on. Okay, so for this one, because our ring is vertical, so we start with surf Z. It's not surf X, but we start with surf Z. Okay, then Y plus 2. Okay, we make it Y. Okay, the Y, because it is like this, right? Okay, we have create here. Then we make it vertical. Okay, make it vertical. But this one, the ring, is slightly higher. Okay, the radius here is slightly bigger compared to this horizontal circle. Okay, so that it will look like interlocking. So we plus 2. Okay, to make sure that it is high, the radius is bigger compared to the other ring. Okay, so y plus 2, x is the same. Okay, there's no line. And this is, oh, okay, then we put x is equal, x is off. Okay, for this color map usage, we call it as HSB. Okay, because it's strong, right? We put it as 0.6. Okay, brighten 0.6. Okay, let's say I didn't put the strong color. Okay, it still looks similar, like similar. Okay, like this. So if I brighten by 60%, maybe you can play around with the value. Okay, so this is the torus, interlocking torus. Okay, so this is interlocking ring. That's the answer for question 3. That's the answer for question 3. Okay, question 4. This is a 2D. Plot two circles with different center point. Okay, with different center point. This is like hypocycloid. Okay, hence mark the intersection between them. So you need to have a marker, okay, at the intersection of these two circles. Okay, so first of all, you can start with this circle, then followed by another circle. Okay, then do x is equal. Okay, then okay, don't put anything at your axis. Okay, I copy this and I put in Teams. Okay, so this one is two circle with different center point. Okay, so let's start with the plotting for blue circle. Okay, so we create a linear space for from 0 to pi for 1000 value. Okay, because we have two circle, we have x1, y1, and second circle is, first circle is xy, s1, y1, second circle is 3 plus cosine t, y2 is 2 plus sine 2. Okay, then x is equal, then we put hold on. Okay, this one you can comment first. Okay, so we draw, okay, two circle. Okay, we plot two circle here. Okay, but it's not complete yet because we have to mark this intersection and this intersection. Okay, by using red circle color. Okay, red circle color here and here. Okay, so to do this, okay, you have to do the looping. Okay, I have prepared for you for k1 until length x1. Okay, we use x1 as our reference. You can also use x2. Okay, but this is the easiest way to do. Okay, and this one is for n to for n until 1 length s1. Okay, so if y1 minus y2 less than 0.01 and absolute x1k minus x2k less than 0.01, okay, plot x1k, y1k with red circle, marker face color is red. Okay, so if it is less than 0.01, then draw a marker. Okay, but if it is not, okay, so we know that, okay, if this intersection means, okay, x and y will be 0, x and y will be 0. But this in MATLAB, you cannot put it equal to 0, but we put it less than 0.01. Okay, you can put smaller value than that, 0.0001, something like that. You have to put a value because it is a true false in looping statement. Okay, you have to put a value. Okay, so now we don't want any value in no tick value, no x tick label and y label. So we put here as empty bracket. Okay, then please uncomment this part to mark a red marker for the intersection of two circles. Okay, now here, okay, this intersection has been marked. Okay, the same thing. You can use this looping. Okay, you can use this looping. Okay, to plot intersection for pentagon, for hexagon. Yes, you can do it. Okay, but of course you have to adjust the value here. Okay, you have to adjust and amend a bit of the looping statement. Okay, you have to adjust a bit of this. Okay, this one is for example of a circle. Okay, do you get this plot? Yeah, okay. Okay, so question 5. Use subplot to create a normal and polar plot of y equal to cosine x plus sine x. Okay, in the same figure window, x is between negative pi to pi. Okay, this one we have a subplot. Okay, first is normal, second is polar plot. So we have to do it side by side. Okay, this one is quite straightforward. Okay, you just create a linear space from negative pi to pi. Okay, then put, okay, x and y, then use subplot. Okay, you have to use normal plot, which is plot. Another one, you can use polar plot function. You can do it by yourself, right? This one? Or you need my code? Easy, right? This one quite easy, right? Okay, wait. I show you the output, then you see if you is doable for you or not. Okay, like this. It's doable for you, right? You can do it by yourself. Huh? You know, can. You can do the wheel of fortune, of course, with this one. You can do it, right? No. Okay, check your, I will put it in tips. Okay, this one, okay. Some of you will ask me, okay, do all mathematical graph has to be in LaTeX? Okay, all mathematical graph, you have to change the axis, okay, the title in LaTeX. Title, axis in LaTeX. Okay, this one is in LaTeX, right? Everything in LaTeX. But for statistical graph like bar chart, pie chart, histogram, it doesn't matter. Okay, for mathematical graph, all of the notation you have to use LaTeX. For statistical graph, it's optional. If you want to use LaTeX, also can. If you don't want to use, also can. Okay, but if let's say they request for it, of course you have to change it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so this is the code for this question. Okay, I think this one is quite straightforward. Okay, so we create a linear space. Okay, y is cosine x plus sine x. Then the first plot is plot x and y. Okay, this one is just extra because I want my x axis and y axis start at the origin. Then my y limit is negative 1.7 until 1.7. Okay, my x tick is between negative pi to pi. Okay, x tick level will more. Okay, this is another way for you. Okay, to make your coding modular and easy. Okay, easy to understand. We put hash tick level interpreted in LaTeX. Okay, so this one is the tick level. We put it here as negative pi, 0, pi. And the second one, we use polar plot is x. Okay, this one is tick level is 0, 90, 360, also in LaTeX, and the tick theta tick level is this. Okay, 0 or 2 over pi, okay, pi over 2, pi, and 3 over 2 times pi. Okay, so when you run it, okay, you will get this. Okay, so the tick level, okay, the tick level for polar plot, okay, you will do clockwise. Start from here, 0 over 2 pi, here, 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 anti-clockwise, sorry. Here, this, and this. Okay, from here, anti-clock, here, up, here, and this. Okay, it will start from uh, west, north, east, and south. Okay, so this is the answer for question 1. Okay, this one is not complete. Actually, you have to put an arrow here, then label Y and X. Okay, then do it by yourself. And maybe you put title here. Okay, you can put title for each. Okay, next is, okay, plot the parametric surface for the following. Use interpolation, phase, color, and some properties of light. Okay, this one also quite easy, right? Okay, they already put as U between 0 to 6 pi, B is 0 to 2 pi. Okay, then we put X. Okay, this is the equation, Y, this is the equation, Z is the equation. Okay, so and after that, you can use plot the parametric surface Z. Okay, so you just plot X, Y, Z. Okay, but the color you have to use interpolation phase color. Okay, then you adjust the brightness. Okay, then you adjust the brightness. I think number 6 here you also can do it, but let me see. Okay, it's okay. Okay, later I will share the code in Moodle. Okay, I will share the code in Moodle. Okay, this is like the challenge. Okay, write a code that will construct two circles tangent to each other. Okay, two circles tangent to each other means, okay, it's similar like this, but the circle here must be at the diameter. Okay, must be located at the diameter. It's a tangent to each other at the origin with center on the axis, on the x-axis, and a third circle tangent 2 and above circles 1 and 2. Hence, modify it such that the radius of the circle are inputted by user. Okay, so this one maybe you need some like you need to design it. Okay, you need to design it. So which means that it's a two circles tangent to each other at the origin. Okay, it means at the center. Okay, and the circle tangent to each other at the origin. Okay, so which means there's a big circle, then another one small circle on the x-axis, and third circle tangent to and above circles 1 and 2. Okay, so it means that another one third circle. So we have to produce three circles here, but the radius okay must be input by the user. Okay, so you can ask the user, okay, to state for the first circle so that it can produce second and third circle. Okay, so this is the input for this. Okay, so this one I ask the user. Okay, you can adjust the code later on, but this one, okay, is an example that I did for input for three circle. Enter radius circle 1, enter radius circle 2, enter radius circle 3. Then I open the figure window. I use hold on. Okay, I put n is equal to 50. So which means that it was okay, n equal to 50. Okay, so angle is okay from 0 until 2 pi. Okay, and the interval is 2 pi over n. Okay, so which means that I will get like around 0 to 2 pi, I will get around like, P1 values. Okay, so first of all, we find of circle 2, tangent, and above circle 1 and 3. Okay, wait, let me share this code in Teams. Okay, so first find center of circle 2, tangent 2, and above circles 1 and 3. Okay, and after that, okay, we do a temporary variable. Okay, R2 plus R3 to the power of 2 plus R2 plus R3 to the power of 2 minus R1 plus R2 to the power of 2. Okay, 2 times divided by 2 times R1 plus R2. Okay, and this is circle 2. Okay, for x coordinate, so which is R3 minus G. Okay, G here, okay, how do I know G formula here? Okay, this is to create a temporary variable for the circle. Okay, I adjust, this one is like a very small value, okay, for between the radius. Okay, and this one is circle 2 coordinate, y coordinate. So R2 plus R3 times sine time, okay, A cosine G over R2 plus R3. Okay. So, and first, then, okay, this one is find of circle 2, tangent 2, and above circle 1 and 3. Next is we draw the first circle. Okay, this is x1 is the coordinate of circle 1, which is negative R1 plus R1 times cosine. Okay, angle is between 0 to 2 pi. Okay, y1 is r1 times sine angle and plot x1, y1. Okay, and the coordinate is, the color is red. Please comment this. Okay, so this is the first circle. Okay, but this one I only I enter all radius, but I only plot one circle. Okay, I only plot one circle. Okay, next is I want to create x2. Okay, the coordinate of this like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so now we want to do the coordinate of circle 2. Okay, we use cx2. We use cx2 and also y2 is cy2 is this. Okay, then we draw circle 2 in green. Okay, 0, 1, 0 is in green. Okay, so I start with, okay, here. Okay, next is I want to draw the third circle in blue. Okay, tangent to above circle 1 and 2. Okay, so this above circle 1 and 2. Okay, now I want to remove all the axes. So I use the axis location start origin, axis equal, then click on. Okay, now, okay, let's try to do, okay, enter circle of radius 1. So maybe I put it like 5. This one is 4. This one is so 4. Okay, so I get a 3 circle. Okay, tangent to each other. Okay, but from this. Okay, from and it has the same origin at the center of x-axis. Okay, and this one at the above. Okay, let's say you want to look at the it's the same circle with same radius. So I put here 10, 10, and also here 10. So it will produce the 3 circle with the equal radius. Okay, usually if you are requested to do circle like this, okay, I know you don't know the formula for that, right? Don't worry, it will be provided. Okay, so if you get something like this, don't worry, the formula will be provided. Okay, of course, do you know the formula to do like this? You will know, but it will take time, right? To think, to plan, right? Okay, so we will not ask question like this. Don't worry. Okay, if we ask, we will give the formula. So you just have to key in your code. Okay. Okay. Any question for chapter 4? No? Okay. Now it's 9:54. Do you want me to teach chapter 7 or you want to start quiz 3 early? Huh? Do you want me to start chapter 7 or you want me to start quiz early? Maybe we can start at 9:10 or 9 quarter past 9, 9:15. Which one? Huh? Start early. Chapter 7. Okay, can you raise your hand? Okay. You want to start chapter 7? Who? Chapter 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11. 11. Okay. 12. Another one. Okay. Chien, can hand down. Okay. That's one, chapter 7, 12. Okay. The rest is you want to start quiz 2 early. Who wants to start quiz 3 early? Count. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. 15. Another one. Okay. So we start quiz 3 early. Is it okay? Okay, then I can release you early. Okay, we start 9, quarter past 9, like 9:15. Okay, huh? Quiz 3 early. Huh? Sorry? 9:20, is it okay? 9:20. Okay. Is it okay? 9:20? Okay, I give you, because I know this is your first quiz. I'm afraid that you will have difficulty. I know 1 hour, you will do the coding, and after that you are panicking. Time's up, then you cannot submit it because it's blocked. Then you will give me an excuse. Miss, I thought that 1 hour is not including the submission. Always like that. Then I have to open the setting again. Okay, so that's why I need some buffer time. Okay, I need some buffer time. Okay, don't worry. We will do revision question. Okay, and it's open book, and you can use Google and everything. Okay, and your trial MATLAB will ending soon. So next week, please make sure you can use your MATLAB online and prepare. If you want to use another trial, prepare another email. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, you can rest. You can rest for. Okay, yeah, you can rest 20 minutes before we start quiz 3. Thank you. I'll be here.